Hi, and welcome back to our Google AI Educator series. In the last session, we looked at how we can use Gemini's Canvas to vibe code various student tools or apps to be able to help our class with their understanding. I want to stick with the Canvas tool for a little bit longer just to show how we can use it in a different way. Canvas can be used in many different ways outside of vibe coding. For instance, it's really great at written communications. But what I want to show today is how we can use Gemini's Canvas to write a presentation for us for class discussion. So I'm in the Gemini app, and then I'm just going to go and select Canvas. And then this time, what I'm also going to do is I'm going to upload a specific document from my Google Drive. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to put in a prompt here, and I'm going to ask Gemini to, acting as a Key Stage 3 history teacher, create a presentation for UK Key Stage 3 students on the role that the Tudors played in the Reformation of the Church. Please cover the key sections as identified in the textbook. So the key phrase here is create a presentation. And when we have Canvas selected, it's going to be able to create a full presentation for us, either from scratch or base it on some information that we upload. So we'll give it a few minutes now to create its presentation. So here we are. We can see that it's now created a really nice presentation for us. And we can start to flick through the slides here and see what our presentation is telling us. Uh, they look really, really nice, don't they? It's nice, clean text, clear, easy to read. So really good way of starting without a blank page. I don't know if you're like me that you hate starting a presentation from scratch, from blank. Well, having a Canvas to create the first draft for us and get us started is really, really helpful. And then what we can do just to further refine and improve on this presentation, we could of course use our prompt window down at the left here and ask it to make adjustments and changes, or we can just export it to Google Slides using the export button at the top, and then we can continue to build our presentation within Google Slides. So I think this is a really powerful function of Gemini's Canvas: presentation creation, written materials, and as we saw in the last episode, the vibe coding.